Yeah, I confess, Father, I confess, 'cause I've been living wrong. I know.
What is up, Count of the Chochis?
What?
I'm at my house.
Count of the Chochis.
That's new. I like it.
So we've already done this. We already did his backside. We didn't decide to record this shit because we just wanted to get it done. And then I had to work on that piece of shit. I'm never working on that car again because it made her shit look like. Maybe. This shit doesn't decide to be a bitch. Well, anyways, so we're adjusting the coilovers because I guess we made them a little bit too high. I mean, too low. So we're adjusting the turn, and then we got to install the front lip.
Alright. These bitches are almost done.
Breaking everything.
Look. This nigga fucking moved his head wherever I fucking go. Demonetized because he's a little bitch.
Yo, let's land my dad's EF next. It's gonna pop off anyways. And this is how you adjust the muscles. I feel like there's more coming.
This nigga a giraffe or something?
Alright, so we just fixed it. It's sitting a little higher in the back than it was because before it was tucking stupid hard. Now this little Chochi is tightening it. This dude's fucking stupid.
I got more camber.
He said he has more camber, but he hasn't tightened the wheel at all.
Bro, I legit have more camber.
Yeah, because you didn't tighten the lugs.
Bro, look at that.
Hopefully his lip doesn't crack when we go drill into it.
Why are you laying on the ground?
This dude lays down everywhere.
I lay down in your asshole.
Dude, see, and then people ask why you're gay.
I'm not gay. I just fuck you.
What? Oh my. I still think he should have left it the way he had it. It looked way better. But that's him. Still slim. Oh shit. Te cagaste.
Only a little bit.
Hold on. All I have to do is buy this little plastic thing right here. Not have a drill.
How much did you pay?
Bro, I'm not gonna scream in the camera because they could hear me.
Pay for this clip?
Like 130.
This is gonna work. Better you see some.
Like 130, 160. Around there. We got a drill, guys. About time. We've been here for like.
Oh, what the fuck? Someone kill that thing.
Bro, it's gonna take us longer to put this front lip on than we did for our rears. What do you think?
Yeah, because you don't have the fucking tools. This isn't gonna work. You gotta get that extended shit.
Where's that flathead? Almost there?
No.
Not even close.
I swear to God, if you break this, after all this work, I'm gonna sock you.
Bro, I'm gonna like.
Oh, hold on. My arms fucking hurts. Let it go. Take a little break.
So is the
We
lip.
got this shit on.
Sort of.
Sort of. This
So-
is the don't buy the slip. Don't do it. Just
If you have a CL, just throw it out.
not even that. Just get a fucking RSX front lip and try to just mod it to go on.
True. That's
way
what.
at least-
We technically, this lip was supposed to be made for a CL, and we had
CL?
to mod this.
A CL? A CL?
Yeah.
A CL? A CL?
A TL. I'm
TL.
sorry. CL, bitch. Hold up. This lip was made for a TL. Nah,
Yeah. It goes on.
bro.
a
It said it was custom made for a CL.
Yeah.
DK custom made. So the way this lip was made, it wasn't made for my car.
Made for a TL. A TL.
It's made for a TL. So what we did was we screwed
No, don't
barely,
say we.
barely noticeable,
Hey, you
barely
didn't do shit.
noticeable. But we screwed one bolt on that side, and then one bolt on this side, and then two other bolts on the back for support.
Bolt in your butthole. Like this. What? Nigga, this shit needs.
All right, yo. So when we post this video, you gotta put Alice in Wonderland right here.
No.
Hold on, we're about to put the hat on. Pause this video right here.
Hold up, you have to get it on my face. Hold on, bro. It's not a face, mom. Mad Hatter, bro. Yo, you're fucking ugly. Oh my god, no! The wind is hitting it. It's not a face, mom.
I think so.
Yeah,
I would say it was sitting
bro.
This nigga's vlog. Oh, we gotta open your hood, huh?
Yeah,
Hold it.
that's the front lip install, guys.
Dude, there was a lot of cursing in this video, and I'm sorry, but today was just very frustrating. Go ahead, take it around the block. There you go, bud. Chochi pulled up. It's the Chochi Malanga crew.
I'm on my own, broken alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found. But you.
So that's how the front lip came out. It looks okay.
¿Y ese fender estaba así?
I feel like he just has to paint it.
It's funny because I would have got away with it.
That's it for today's video. I'm tired.
Look at Mikey, he's
So,
like,
Chocha.
Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare.